In this video, we'll present the top 5 most popular all-inclusive resorts in Mexico for 2024, starting with number 5, Iberostar Selection Cancun. Set in the heart of Cancun's lively hotel zone, Iberostar Selection Cancun stands out as a symbol of all-inclusive excellence, firmly establishing its status as one of the most popular resorts in Mexico. This 5-star oceanfront paradise offers an unparalleled combination of luxury, convenience, and family-friendly amenities, making it a top choice for travelers from around the globe. The prime location of Iberostar Selection Cancun sets the stage for an unforgettable vacation experience. Just a short 15-minute drive from Cancun International Airport, guests are greeted with panoramic views of the turquoise Caribbean Sea from almost every corner of the resort. This proximity to both the airport and the region's natural wonders ensures that guests can immerse themselves in the beauty of Cancun without wasting precious time on travel. Renowned for its commitment to providing an exceptional experience for guests of all ages, Iberostar Selection Cancun stands out as a family-friendly haven. The resort's array of facilities and activities cater to every member of the family, from the thrilling kids' water park and pool to the engaging Star Camp program. While children are entertained and supervised by professionals, parents can unwind and recharge at the resort's luxurious spa, knowing that their little ones are in good hands. Accommodations at the resort epitomize luxury and comfort, offering guests a sanctuary of relaxation after a day of adventure. From spacious premium rooms with ocean views to opulent oceanfront villas complete with private terraces and hot tubs, every detail has been carefully crafted to ensure a memorable stay. But it's not just the accommodations that set the Iberostar Selection Cancun apart, it's the abundance of amenities and activities that truly elevate the guest experience. With a staggering 10 outdoor pools, including an infinity pool with a swim-up bar, guests are spoiled for choice when it comes to relaxation and recreation. From live music performances and professional shows to a wide array of sports activities and culinary delights, there's something for everyone to enjoy at this renowned resort. In conclusion, Iberostar Selection Cancun stands as a shining example of the best that Mexico's all-inclusive resorts have to offer. Its prime location, family-friendly amenities, luxurious accommodations, and abundance of activities combine to create an unparalleled vacation experience, earning it a well-deserved place among the most popular resorts in Mexico. At number 4 is the Hotel Riu Palace Cabo San Lucas. Perched atop a white sand beach, the Riu Palace Cabo San Lucas offers travelers an opportunity to enjoy a memorable getaway in the lively destination of Los Cabos. As one of Mexico's popular resorts, this all-inclusive haven promises 24-hour-a-day service, a myriad of culinary delights, top-notch entertainment, and fully equipped facilities, ensuring an exclusive and unparalleled experience for every guest. The array of facilities at Riu Palace Cabo San Lucas is nothing short of impressive, catering to the diverse needs and desires of all visitors. The Renova Spa stands as a sanctuary of relaxation, boasting a gym, sauna, hydro massage bathtub, and beauty area, where guests can unwind and rejuvenate amidst luxurious surroundings. For those seeking an active escape, the resort offers sports activities such as tennis, scuba diving lessons, and the popular Riu Fit program, ensuring that fitness enthusiasts can maintain their routines even while on vacation. Accommodations at the resort are designed to exceed expectations, with over 600 rooms offering a wealth of amenities and comforts. From Garden View Junior Suites overlooking the gardens to Sea View Jacuzzi Suite boasting incredible ocean vistas, each room is thoughtfully appointed to ensure a restful and rejuvenating stay. With options ranging from standard double rooms to oceanfront junior suites with private pools, guests are spoiled for choice when it comes to selecting the perfect room. The Riu offers a remarkable pool area comprising of 4 outdoor pools, 2 of which include swim-up bars. This setup provides an excellent space to relax and enjoy the warm Cabo sun. For families, the top-of-the-range Riu Lands Kids Club offers a full day of fun and activities and competitions, ensuring that young guests are entertained while parents indulge in some well-deserved rest and relaxation. Culinary enthusiasts will delight in the diverse dining options available, from the extensive buffet at the Mar de Cortez to the tantalizing flavors of Japanese, Indian, Italian, and fusion cuisine at the resort's specialty restaurants. Guests can embark on a food journey from around the world without ever leaving the comfort of the resort. In conclusion, Riu Palace Cabo San Lucas stands as a testament to the allure of Mexico's most popular resorts, offering a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and entertainment. Next at number 3 is Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. Positioned along the shores of Cancun, the Royalton Splash Riviera stands out as a symbol of all-inclusive luxury, welcoming guests to experience a realm of unmatched comfort and thrill. As one of the premier resorts in the region, it boasts an impressive array of amenities and activities, ensuring that every moment is filled with joy and relaxation for visitors of all ages. At the heart of Royalton Splash Riviera lies its expansive water park, one of the largest in the Caribbean, with 14 monster slides, lazy rivers, splash pads, and spray grounds. Guests can indulge in endless aquatic adventures right on site. Whether racing down thrilling slides or simply lounging in the pools, there's no shortage of fun to be had in this aquatic wonderland. In addition to the water park, the resort provides a range of entertainment choices, from bowling and laser tag to various sports and fitness amenities. There's an activity to suit every preference. Families can come together for friendly competitions or partake in thrilling adventures or excursions. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Royal Spa awaits, offering a sanctuary of tranquility amidst the vibrant energy of the resort. With a hydrotherapy circuit and a full range of massage, body, and facial treatments, you can indulge in blissful pampering, leaving refreshed and revitalized. Accommodations at Royalton Splash are designed to exceed expectations, with luxurious suites featuring exclusive amenities and great views. From the elegant appointed luxury junior suites to the spacious Sky Chairman suites, each room offers a haven of comfort and style. Moreover, the resort's all-inclusive offerings extend to its culinary delights, with 12 stunning restaurants serving a diverse array of international and local cuisines. While enjoying the diverse dining experiences available at the resort, from savoring the flavors of India at Taj to indulging in traditional Mexican fare at Agave, or even relishing a gourmet burger at Nibbles, guests never need to leave the premises. For those seeking an elevated experience, the Diamond Club offers exclusive privileges and amenities, including butler service, preferred room locations, and access to private pools and beach areas. In conclusion, Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun stands as a testament to the allure of Mexico's most popular resorts, offering a perfect blend of all-inclusive luxury and family-friendly adventure. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, seize the opportunity. Explore the links below to book your Mexican getaway at unbeatable prices. Second on the list, Occidental at Xcaret destination. Set within the beautiful Riviera Maya area, the Occidental at Xcaret destination invites travelers to discover a seamless blend of opulence and natural beauty. Boasting 765 recently updated rooms and suites, this resort offers a distinct retreat where luxury intertwines with the awe-inspiring surroundings. In keeping with the tradition of its predecessor, the Occidental at Xcaret destination continues the legacy of being one of the most sought-after resorts in Mexico. Building upon the success of the Occidental brand, this resort takes the concept of all-inclusive luxury to new heights, offering guests an unparalleled experience that seamlessly integrates with the natural wonders of its surroundings. Adjacent to the world-renowned Xcaret Park, guests have the opportunity to explore the eco-archaeological wonderland, showcasing the region's rich Mayan heritage through natural and archaeological exhibitions. Moreover, the resort's secluded private beachfront provides guests with a serene oasis where they can unwind amidst the beauty of the sea. With miles of soft white sand and crystal clear waters, it's the perfect setting for a romantic getaway or a fun-filled family vacation. However, what truly distinguishes Occidental at Xcaret destination is not only its natural splendor, but also the comprehensive array of amenities and services. With 11 restaurants presenting a variety of cuisines and 10 bars serving a selection of refreshing drinks and exotic beverages, guests have an abundance of dining and entertainment options to indulge in. Furthermore, the resort's extensive list of activities ensures that there's never a dull moment during your stay. Engage in pampering spa sessions, partake in beachside yoga classes, or venture on excursions to nearby attractions like Tulum and Chichen Itza. In essence, Occidental at Xcaret destination is more than just a resort. It's a getaway to a world of adventure and natural beauty. With its its unparalleled amenities, breathtaking surroundings, and commitment to excellence, it's no wonder that this resort continues to be one of the most popular destinations in Mexico. Number 1 on our list is the Moon Palace Cancun. This sprawling paradise stands as the epitome of the most popular all-inclusive resorts in Mexico, offering a fusion of luxury, adventure, and relaxation. It meticulously attends to every whim and desire of its guests, guaranteeing an unforgettable vacation experience. Boasting a staggering array of activities, Moon Palace Cancun promises endless entertainment for all visitors, such as teeing off at the 3 9-hole Jack Nicklaus signature golf courses to catching waves at the Flowrider surf simulation, with 5 pools, including the largest in Cancun, and 12 swim-up bars, serving refreshing concoctions. Families will delight in the kid-friendly amenities, including a dedicated kids club with game rooms and outdoor activities, while teens can hang out at the teen lounge equipped with video games and snacks. Evenings come alive with nightly entertainment, from fire stunts to Latin dancing, ensuring that every moment is filled with excitement and joy. For those seeking relaxation, the resort's spa offers a sanctuary of tranquility, with indulgent treatments and facilities such as saunas, steam rooms, and jacuzzis. Fitness enthusiasts can stay active with yoga classes, gym facilities, and a variety of sports activities, including volleyball, tennis, and snorkeling. Accommodations are nothing short of luxurious, with beautifully appointed rooms and suites featuring whirlpool tubs, king-size beds, and views of the ocean or golf course. Whether it's a romantic getaway or a family vacation, guests are treated to the highest level of comfort and hospitality. Dining at the Moon Palace Cancun is a unique experience, with 12 restaurants offering a diverse range of cuisines, from Italian and Brazilian to Mexican and Oriental. With 12 bars serving up great drinks, guests can toast unforgettable memories against the backdrop of Cancun's stunning scenery. At the forefront of Mexico's most popular resorts, Moon Palace Cancun stands as one of the most sought-after all-inclusive destinations in the country. That's all for now. Don't miss out on your chance to book one of these one-of-a-kind all-inclusive resorts at the best rates online. Thanks for tuning in, and happy travels!